And in this particular video, the Boba Kube Kum no Mami, you know, Obakaya Enwa, and let be every police for Aswe Ebaye. I said 5 police officers. They has been interdicted. Just say, Omo no, yeah, you ma dianesa. That letter no, many people could be omua, ne ho asem, abe de dwa media no so. Ye beka ho asem. Ana face no Mahama ba, Sheriff Mahama, video pop up on the internet na all kono soldiers ebo no ho ban. Eno so no ne aka ho asem e wo ha na mo. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was any di mo. Obe like keep video na that ma subscribe button na ba click notification connect latest update na ba chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section so ba so a no share from onya bia share. And let's start with 5 police officers now. You interact with me no. I was in Kabi Shemu. Your honey who said let it be appear on the internet. I say you heard date no. Now is 16 December 25. That is Enra Tuesday. Enra Tuesday. And a letter by. I say from police for Omo Aswe. I letter the title police interdict 5 officers for act of misconduct on social media. And I say enipa 5 no mu a o ma dan su ba bi a je say enye enfra police ni ye o ma show such attitude on the internet. I mean, because of that Ghana police want to interdict them. I know say the Ghana Police Service has interdicted the following personnel of the service for various acts of misconduct involving the use of police uniform for unauthorized purposes on social media. Just according to letter, Omashe police one tale, e dey dwumadie bi on the internet a entwa ye. As omudin eba ye no, do di kai Samuel Agwemanyale. Samuel Agwemanyale. Ana do to ono a sergeant. Do obi Lance Corporal. Lance Corporal Isaac Mpere. The other SCA, Samuel Agbo. Duodi ho Charles Odro. Anafe, the Ochato a policewoman, constable Elizabeth Deka Koko. Yes, sir, a nipa 5 we no. Omo just omashe police for one tale. They do in fact omo a police for. But ye who say omo police uniform on the internet, omo de ya DB just say it goes contrary to rules and regulations governing the Ghana Police Service. They have since been referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for further investigations and necessary disciplinary action. As a letter in Richard Mensah, Deputy Superintendent of Police for Director General Public Affairs. And I said that letter we eba bontene. Now letter ne be na Ghana for ehwehwe no. Na say edina epie mu no. Ana ekofa asem ba ye. Edinda edi kai no. Samuel Agwemanyale ono obekaya 5th December na Farmers Day no. And a video be pop up on the internet. A video pop up na say Farmers Day Mahama ebeko hu. Na ho na okọ ho no no. Or the private jet and a koye. Tie Mahama eko ho no. Or the private jet and a koye. Emma omu koduru ho no no. Police for say omu ka Mahama ho enom koye no. Na Samuel Agwemanyale no oka ho bi. Emma Samuel Agwemanyale a video I will post this particular video on the internet.
As I told you earlier, now we are closer to the jet. We are closer to it. You can see it.
Yeah,
yes. This is the private jet the president brought.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you see it?
Okay.
Can you see it? Yes. We are right under it. This is the jet the president brought.
So this is where they open here down.
Yes, you can see it. Yes. Can you see it? I'm under the wing. Yes. Yes, you can see it. Can you see it here? This is the jet. Right here with us. Yeah. New here. Brand new. You see it? Yes. Yes. You can see it for yourself. This is it. This is the jet. See it? You see it? This is the jet. Very beautiful jet. Of course. Very beautiful. At Ho Airport. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
As a video or making it clear, Mahama had a private jet and a buyer. Now jet and quite original Siena is a ultra that particular video as a boss Rebecca we go here at Hada Shana. The D and the Bahanomono. Samuel Agbemanyale, I say Samuel Agbemanyale Mudine Hukado. Mudine Hukulade, as a lady. Over go females and the house up for no self. I come aboard the ladder. And as a lady. Oh, Samuel Agbemanyare. What I say? Samuel Agbemanyale. Aha. Nidi eboho. Come on. Ana obekaya on this issue of private jets no. Abronye NDC for ofie no. Open the boy Otumfuo do na chi. Esia na Otumfuo na okwa ne ha no of private jet. Abronye wo commercial one ho no mo. Okwa ha na won de ompe. Opede condition wo mu, opede we wo mu, opede hwan wo mu. Omo de boy aban na chi ema even kon ablakwa. Ebeka Asem, on the Mahama baby mu nese Mahama amamu mu obi efa private jet e to kwa no obe resign. Abla ka sa bebebe. Enti ekoba ye say man police officer you know. This particular video ne ba on the internet. Na list ya Ghana police e dey abase nipa 5 ye be yiwo madi. Ono edi kan no. Amon for say any this issue now papa no or posting on the internet no and no so any gina ama Ghana police for a person omuko in a day every said aside this video be shadam pop up on the internet here Samuel Agbemanyale no or womu or can send the ana oye bibia jama for say because of this particular video ana Ghana police agent so edi police ni no edi.
Yeah, good people. I'm a church. I say, na there was a release via Ghana police at the buy and release no kaya. Was the Ghana Police Service has interdicted the following personnel of the service for the various acts of misconduct involving the use of police uniform for unauthorized purposes on social media. They have been referred to the Police Professional Standard Bureau for further investigation. No, Mudino to Samuel Agbemanyale and Corporal Bawku Sergeant and Corporal Isaac Imperi. Samuel Agbo, Charles Udru, ono so oye corporal, and Constable Elizabeth Dika Koko. Na say release by an anthrophobic enim the entire entered because and state clearly no as well say misconduct. But sa video we ba out. So we video ni so na obe say Samuel Sergeant ni dini Samuel Agbemanyale. Ono no post to on a TikTok. Na TikTok no. Why no a private, but sabi social media don't any private class people can take screenshot of it. And you know video we no yeah.
As I told you earlier, now we are closer to the jet.
That video we no yeah.
You can see it.
Yeah,
yes.
This
This is the private jet the president brought.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you see it?
Okay.
Can you see it? Yes. We are right under it. This is the jet the president brought.
So this is the way they open here down.
Yes, you can see it. Yes. Can you see it? I'm under the wing. Yes.
It's under the wing.
Yes, you can see it. Can you see it here? This is the jet. Right here with us. Yeah. New year.
Brand new.
Brand new. No can in your room. Oh, you know. Video now share no enunti na akoso of this. Anti ni din so hwe the TikToker yi ni so a me lage no na hwe. Ni din ewo mu bi ni din ni Samuel Agbe. Ni fani din Samuel Agbe Menyala. Aha, nti ono na hwe ni din wa ha. Oye Sergeant Samuel Agbe Menyala. Eti video we opostu ye no. Ene omo aneka ne ho nyina no. Enunti ena samre die ya interdict o my so no query as a matter of fact ade omo ye na on professional say president e the jet about obi anim how aban we no more opposition no mra no said no mo kasafa jet ho no the president call the local tour and we are one of the local yinibi and or the jet equal ya police fu ikoko yes a video here na de ya interdict o no the same radio ya say interdict o mane ya refer o to and who can any ya refer o to Professional Standard Bureau for further investigation and necessary disciplinary action. Intino ne ene de aba me who video we me can say as a matter of fact unethical say president at the jet aba bia some ama media men and show na say who could show dia obenya problem if saban we unim so mo opposition no jet who's ukuje to black warm ne adeti saban say president on his local tour now kofa presidential jet na say be media no entwa ama na wo police ni koye dia Asem na ni tu ayi omu yi ya fasade we ho kakra no.
There is a latest private jet scandal in town. And there was a police service, Ghana Police Service. Omode names we were too just say. Those officers, they have been involved in some form of professional misconduct. Just say they are uniform personnel. And omode omu uniform no adi some professional misconduct. Let me put it that way. Okay, yatiase. But there was one particular name be na ewo yes edin so president or any part of Ghana that's internal travel. Okay, that's internal travel. Now just recently Farmers Day course one of those outings President John Mahama used a private jet. The word is private jet. Rented private jet. Yenim sedie NDC for any akufuado yam ye on private jet issue. John Mahama baye yenim how these people have gone against their own words and now they are using private jets. Not only are they using private jet for outside travel, they are also using private jet for internal travel. But to say, Accra to Ho, president can take about 2 hours because presidential convoy, is see a kwan so say a kwa obia betiti kwam and it will run at a speed within just a short time. The president can be in Ho. But John Mahama say, on fada, obey you private jet, rented private jet, which is costing Ghana several millions of cedis. Akufuado Betanas when you private jet for internal travel, rented private jet when you sue for internal travel. But John Mahama or ko visit North or ko visit Kumase or Kumase or Kotakrade, places which have airports. John Mahama say, obey you rented private jet. Nabusia, sa police ni noa na oka edin names noa police service at the babontin no. Ne boni a waye nyina ne say wakwa film sa private jet na ekosi ho on Farmers Day, which President Mahama used to travel from Accra to Hono. Wakako film me. The Bonia waye nyina no no. Edenti police service say omonti bida. Hey, enkrofo ye wicked. These people are wicked. They don't care about you. Wo to abama woman. They don't care about you. So if they cared about you, enka omobe employ teachers, omobe employ nurses, omobe employ doctors, omobe employ the youth of Ghana with those huge sums of money. President Mahama Nkwa asset record. Ono Nkwa na de rented private jet costing several millions of cedis to the Ghanaian taxpayer to travel internally. Abusia, let it sink in. Let it sink in.
Now, let's move to the other story. Obake Abronye NDC for Tifie when they were in opposition. In fact, they found problem with almost everything that MPP were doing. Video popular for the internet. That's not a good for the former first lady to this country, Ghana, to the state. Former first lady, a good for the na oko baby, na oko no, na Ghana police, and airborne on home, escorting. Only Ghana police, and no man na airborne home. Video popular on the internet. No. And this for the year day. Oh, Omokasa, who ye did the coin as I Akufo-Addo has reduced Ghana police to nothing. Just say now the Ghana police grab down on the personal body guide. And Omokasa baby. Now you know about a week ago, Anna video be surfacing on the internet as Mahama ba Sharaf Mahama. Oko program biase. Na oko na busia. Military man. Soldier ni Anna. In the video, no, said the video was posted on the internet. No, soldier ni ana guide Mahama ba.
She is a woman of substance. She's a woman of integrity, and more importantly, she is and deserves another round of applause.
Now, apart from being a lover of the industry, she's a lover of God, and she believes in timing. I've heard her say on different platforms that she should have done this 10 years ago. But tonight, this year,
when the police, soldier ni ana guide Mahama ba. And now come yourself Ghana for na abechiro madwen ewo.
Panyini John Dramani Mahama ne Babema Sharif Mahama eko dwumadie bi ase a na soja ni ayire ne bokita tuo pansan na the unprofessional way ayame nwanwa se ba besi nne the Ghana Armed Forces entimi enka asem no hwe the unprofessional way a soja ni na nye nipa na okope na chi ne wo na ye nsoma ne sentokwa bi asi enti onkobo nwura ho na mom odi obiachi ogade omampanyini babema edina ko program ase a peaceful program nti se o ye soja ni na se o hwe the way a soja ni a ogade yayi ni se ongade mampanyina ye 1992 constitution kan pefe soja ni na yayi ni se ongade omampanyini ba ekwana soja ni no fa so kita tuo edi wura program aye so peaceful na nyantokwa na ekọ ho na mom ya ton sa afre omampanyini ba e program ase na okona the way and manner the unprofessional way as soja ni no si conducting ho ede ye bodyguard ya so ye chief of defense staff na se ohun sa video na se ye ofe se soja ni act in that manner there na mo amomo ye in charge ni enim ne ha mo na ye mo mpayimfo na mo wosesi ano Muna mu reduce the reputation of the Ghana Armed Forces. Muna mu reduce the reputation. Muna mu ridicule the reputation of the Ghana Armed Forces. Sebesi nei Ghana Armed Forces intimi for statement ma bonten. E kwana soja ni se ukọ program asi na se program no a peaceful program the way a obesi conduct ho. Wonantie the way a obesi kita utuo ni nyina ye kire mo. Under security. A soja fo a ma hu saade ni nyina no ma hu. Sa kwana soja ni a ogade mampanyini ba Sheriff Mahama the way a offer so kita ni tuo edi wura nipa mu no e so unprofessional.
Chira wa dwen mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!